Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Recently I found another mechanical keyboard with Hall effect on Amazon. This is MelGeek and keyboard is CYBER01. I just, randomly found it on Amazon. Nobody sent this keyboard to me, so I'm just gonna to do a very quick review and testing for you if you're wondering or if you have any questions related to this keyboard, right? So first of all, what you will have inside the box: the keyboard itself, braided USB-C cable, keycap puller, some manual, some stickers, and that's all. So what is related to the keyboard? Keyboard is super gaming. You see, right, how it looks like. It's really gaming keyboard. From the functions or overview, on the front side, nothing special except this RGB lights, and it's a lot of RGB in this keyboard, and I will show you this. On the back side we have only USB-C port. On the bottom side we don't have adjustable fuzz, but we have RGB bars, right? From the structure point of view, it's a lot of layers of different absorbing foam inside, and you will see the result of it on a sound test. I will show you in a minute, right? From RGB point of view, this keyboard is really full of RGB, and you can set the RGB per key, and I will be able to show this in a second, right? Let's quickly check what we have. The keycaps. So keycaps, clear or transparent, you see. So obviously they shine through, and that's why it's pretty bright full keyboard. From the switches point of view, it is interesting, but we have Gatron magnetic switch. With open magnet, so I can see the magnet, and with 2 pins. And keyboard itself, or PCB, it's also with 2 pins and south facing RGB. Let me show you closer, right? So you see that it's south facing RGB, 2 pins PCB for magnetic switches, and clear transparent keycaps. Now let's switch to the software, to the actuation point and rapid trigger function, and I have a bump. During the preparation of this review, I start testing how to use this rapid trigger function and all of that, and I saw this message that I need to update my firmware to 1.5.1, and I check in the settings. It's nothing I can do through the software itself, and also I was not able to find this firmware anywhere on a MelGeek site, so basically I cannot show you how to use the software today. But just based on this menu, you can see that we have everything what is usually required for this. So you can select different keys, you can set up your rapid trigger or actuation point on everything, but unfortunately I cannot do this right now, and it's pretty huge bump if you will buy the keyboard and you will not be able to use this actuation point settings. It will be pretty sad, but maybe you can solve this with a support team of this brand. From the lighting point of view, as I mentioned, we can set up our own like schema of the colors, right? So it's pretty nice, and let me show you this keyboard with this lighting. So you can set differently this atmosphere light, which is around the keyboard, right? And you can set up backlight itself, right? With different options. And obviously you can change this from the keyboard itself. So keyboard is pretty brightful, no doubt. Okay, let's do the quick sound test. As you may see and hear, the sound is pretty nice. Again, it's based on the structure of the keyboard and Keycaps magnetic switches, so sounds pretty good. I was not able to find a lot of information on YouTube, so that's why I thought maybe it will be useful for you. If you will have any specific question related to this keyboard, just let me know in the comments under this video. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you next time.